Okay, first of all, don't panic. If you're watching this video, you're probably in the same spot I am and have accidentally deleted a bunch of files on a memory stick or a hard drive or whatever other things you can delete things on. But don't worry, they're not gone yet. When you delete files on a memory stick or a hard drive, they're not actually deleted yet. They're just marked as gone and marked as available real estate so that you can overwrite that information. So they're still there. So it's very important at this step that you do not put anything else on that memory stick. So in my instance, it was the memory stick for my camera, and because I'm stupid, I only have one. I thought I was going to be smart by having a giant 128 gigabyte chip and then never have to have others, but you know, whatever. So I'm recording this on my phone, so that's why the crappy quality. Anyway, regardless, that's why I'm not using my camera right now, because I have to recover the files that I lost. Now this happens to the best of us. Sometimes you mean to do other things. In my case, I had a sequence of images that I was using for a time-lapse video, and it takes all the pictures first, and then you can composite within the camera the video afterward. What I did, I thought I was deleting the sequence of pictures just by themselves to free up space, and instead I deleted everything that was on the card. And I had important stuff on there. So, you're probably in the same boat as me. So, we're gonna do this together. This is gonna be my first time ever recovering lost data. I think it's important that we do this at the same time, because then I'll learn just the same way you're learning. So I looked up some videos, and there's a good software called Recuva that apparently is really simple and it's free. So I'm gonna pop my SD card into my laptop, fire it up. I'm gonna do some screen recording so that you don't have to rely on my phone camera to see what I'm doing, because that's just dumb. This program, for some reason, even when I tap the recorder, it does not show. So I'm gonna have to do a janky camera on screen recording thing, but that's okay, you can see well enough. Okay, so I've opened up Recuva. So now it wants me to check where I want to look for the missing file. So we'll hit browse here in a specific location, and we're gonna look for the SD card, which is right here. And then we're gonna look in DCIM, because that's where everything is, and hit OK. And I guess we hit next. Enable deep scan. That'll probably take longer. But, you know, it's worth it if you want to get everything back. So, in order not to fail, we're gonna try the deep scan. Hit start. Okay. Okay, so it's going through everything. I do have quite a few files on there, so that might take a while. So we'll check back in a little while and see how well it did. Yeah, a little over an hour and a half or so to go through the whole card, and here are all the files. I can't tell too much of how they look. I see some have green, most have the green circles, some have yellow. I don't know what that means yet, but it's listing quite a few files here. I'm guessing some of these are the most recent ones that got deleted, and some of them are older deleted files that I actually intended to delete. So I'm gonna tap into some of these and see if they're good. And now we're going to the recovered folder, and hopefully everything is here. Looks like there's a lot here, so let's take a look at this video. Awesome, that's one of the time lapses that I lost on there. And it's perfect. There is nothing wrong with the footage. Everything looks fine. I'm gonna have to go through and make sure that all of these are how they should be, but it looks pretty good so far. So I'm gonna say that that was a success. I'm gonna note that that was my first time using that program. I had seen others use it before, but It was my first time trying it, and I figured I'd share that with you guys to show you how easy it really is to just kind of download and use. And it's good. It's free. It worked out for me. This isn't like some kind of sponsor thing. I'm surprised we even have to say that now for everything, but I mean, it's a free program. I mean, I just heard about it and tried it, and it turns out it works good, and I'm happy because now I can use my real camera again instead of a phone, and that'll be just so much better. Some finishing thoughts that you should keep in mind if you want to do this. One, it's very important that you do not use the memory card after you realize that you have deleted things that you need. Because things that are deleted aren't truly deleted, they're just marked for deletion to be overwritten by the next thing that you put in there, which could very well overwrite the thing that you are trying to recover. So if you've done that, stop everything, try to recover it right away. Don't wait, because you could lose them. If you want to understand a little bit more about how this works, I'll put a link to a video from Michael from vsauce. His video explains pretty amazingly how that all works with memory and data and all that, and how things get deleted but they're not deleted, and how wherever they are it's called Where Do Deleted Files Go. It's pretty good. So that's it for me. I'm gonna go use my camera now.